Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just drawing Ariana Grande, we're celebrating her incredible journey. Before we even pick up a pencil, let's take a moment to appreciate the story behind the artist. Understanding Ariana's biography will give our drawing process depth and meaning, allowing us to capture more than just a likeness, we'll be capturing a spirit. Here's how Ariana's life story will inform our drawing. Early beginnings on Broadway Nickelodeon, knowing about her start in musical theater and as Cat Valentine gives context to her performance skills and versatility. We can reflect this playful energy in our drawing. Transition to Pop Stardom Defining Albums. From Yours Truly to Positions, Ariana's musical evolution has been marked by experimentation and growth. Thinking about specific albums can inspire the style and mood of our portrait. What album represents her best? Personal challenges vs. resilience. Ariana has faced significant personal challenges, and her ability to overcome them has made her an inspiration to many. Capturing this strength and vulnerability can add depth to our drawing. Philanthropy vs. activism. Ariana's commitment to social causes and her use of her platform to advocate for change demonstrates her compassion and influence. Reflecting this empathy can add another layer to our artwork. Impact on pop culture vs. style icon. From her signature high ponytail to her chart-topping hits, Ariana has left an undeniable mark on pop culture. Celebrating her iconic status can make our drawing even more engaging. By understanding Ariana's biography, we're not just drawing a celebrity, we're drawing a multifaceted individual with a rich history and a powerful voice. This knowledge will help us make informed artistic choices and create a portrait that truly captures her essence. So, grab your pencils, let's get inspired by Ariana's incredible story, and start drawing. Don't forget to like this video if you find this background helpful. And subscribe for more art tutorials and inspiration.
Bye.